The huge potentially hazardous asteroid 1998 OR2 is just close encounter with Earth on 29th of April 2020 and you can watch the giant space rocks approach with a small telescope. This animation combines two images of the potentially hazardous asteroid 1998 OR2, taken about 30 minutes apart, on March 20, 2020. Asteroid 1998 OR2 is large enough to wreak havoc on Earth if it were to strike our planet. On April 29, asteroid 1998 OR2 will safely pass by 3.9 million miles/6.2 million kilometers. Scientists with NASA's Asteroid Watch program verified that there is no warning about this asteroid. According to Asteroid Watch, 1998 OR2 will pass and that it will pass by at a safe distance that is more than 16 times the average distance between Earth and the Moon.